So today we've got a presentation that we've titled Mesh Mapping in Moldex3D, and it's part of a larger series of webinars that really focus on the structural FE side of Moldex simulations. So, when we injection mold plastic parts, we're inevitably concerned with strength and other kinds of mechanical characteristics after the molding process is finished. And most of that activity takes place in a third-party FE solver, or FEA solver. So what this series is going to do is talk a little bit about how to set up a structural FEA job using Moldex3D as molded conditions. So this is sort of the first part of an ongoing series, which is going to describe in some detail how to set up these mesh maps, what sort of capabilities and attributes we can extract from the Moldex environment, and how do we use those extracted attributes in a structural FEA code. Okay, so with all of that said, let's get started. Moldex3D uses a powerful utility to export as molded conditions and bring those into a third-party software package. And structural analysts are people that are concerned with analyzing the mechanical behavior of a molded part, are keenly interested in the effects of the molding process on the performance of that part. So we're going to look a little bit as a beginning here at some of the benefits of using those as molded conditions as part of a structural FEA effort. And we'll focus, I think, somewhat differently than most of these kinds of webinars. We're going to focus a little bit more on the FEA side of things, although this beginning or part one is really going to talk about the settings within Moldex. What do they mean? What do they do? How do you set them up properly to be exported into the FEA code? And then subsequent webinars will go deeper and deeper into the FEA side of things for analyzing the structural behavior of molded parts. So for this afternoon, we've got a case study on a simple part. We've got a clevis, which is an injection molded component. We've got a steel rod through the lug, and we're going to impart a displacement load on that rod.